Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise from microphone in Windows 11. It's a very simple process. What you have to do, you just need to select on your speaker icon. If you click on that, then simply click on the select a sound output option. And after you can get simply option called more volume settings. If you click on that, then you're going to find out the input called choose a device for speaking recording. So if you just getting this Windows like this, you can simply click on this bar and you can simply click on the microphone. If you click on it, then simply come over into this section, audio enhancements and then voice focus. So if you click on audio enhancement and if you click on this voice clarity and to the voice focus, you need to set on, not automatic. You have to need to click on. That's it. And now what you have to do, you just need to click on the back and then simply come over into this advanced section, click on more sound settings. Into here, you can simply click on the recording option, select the microphone, click on properties and click on levels. So into the levels, you can get two options. If you're not using a microphone or if you're using a microphone, you can simply get two options. If you didn't get this kind of option, then you can simply get the custom option and make sure here is AGS option is turned off, because when you turn on the AGS, it will going to get the background noises. So you really don't need it. So if you just turn it off, click apply and okay. So this is we can simply remove background noises from your Windows 11 microphone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.